Good morning, Marla. Citron here from Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, Alabama. Thank you so much for submitting your vehicle inquiry to us on our beautiful 2019 Hyundai Sonata plug-in hybrid. I got one pulled up here that I want to show you, okay? So in the front, beautiful cascading grille with sensors behind the emblem. We got the LED wraparound headlights with the daytime running lights, nitrogen-filled tires, turn signal and blind spot detection in both front mirrors. This, of course, is a push to start. Let me show you the interior. On the inside, we have a beautiful cloth fabric, 7-inch touchscreen display equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual climate control, and a ton of safety and technology features are in this vehicle. But the best part, Marla, are our warranties. We have a 5-year, 60,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. But at Tameron only, we double that last one to 20 years, 200,000 miles on the powertrain warranty, making no other warranties in the country better than ours, Marla. Again, I'm Citron. I'll be the one working with you. I can't wait to meet you, test drive this beautiful car with you, give you a great deal to earn your business. My number is 703-505-1598. Come on down, Tameron Hyundai, where you're going to love the way you're treated.